Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tools and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of woodworking with a close look at the Kreg KPHJ320 Pocket Hole Jig 320. If you're into woodworking or DIY projects, you're going to want to stick around for this one, because this little tool packs a punch. Now, if you're not familiar with pocket hole joinery, let me break it down for you. It's the fast, strong, and easy way to join wood. With the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 320, you can drill, drive, and be done in no time. What makes the KPHJ 320 stand out from the rest? Well, for starters, it's compact and durable, perfect for those tight spaces in your workshop or on-site. But don't let its size fool you. This jig is built to last. But don't just take my word for it. Our customers have been raving about the ease of use, accuracy, and versatility of the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 320. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this jig is a must-have for your toolkit. Let's talk features. The KPHJ 320 is adjustable, allowing you to set spacing between drill guides with ease. Plus, it works well with materials ranging from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick, making it incredibly versatile for a variety of projects. And check this out. The KPHJ 320 comes with everything you need to get started, including drill guides, a carrying case, and even sample screws to get you going right out of the box. So there you have it, folks. The Kreg KPHJ 320 Pocket Hole Jig 320 is the ultimate tool for creating perfect, rock-solid joints in your woodworking projects. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this jig is sure to become an essential part of your toolkit. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy woodworking.